how to accept all threads followers at once. So all what you want to do, guys, is very simple. First thing, open Threads app and then go to the notifications option. Right here, as you can see, I have a lot of follow requests. So how can I accept all of these? First thing, all what you want to do is use all your fingers like this, and then you can accept like this 2 by 2, or even if you want you can accept 4 like this by 4. That's the only way you have. It's very actually easy, but it will take a few time, but it's better than accepting one by one. That's the only way that you have. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.